Well, hello there, fellas, and welcome to another GitHub tutorial. Like I mentioned in the last video where I informed you about the update of my GitHub repository, today I want to show you how to get the project from my GitHub and do some changes that are necessary if you want to make your own soundboard. So the first step is to get yourself a GitHub account. So go to github.com. You can also find the link in the description and sign up, and then just choose your username, your email address and password, and then on step 2 we'll just choose a free plan, because that's all you need to get my GitHub repository. If you want to use another plan, buy it, I don't care, but just to get my repository you'll have to at least get a free plan. And after signing up to GitHub, you go to git-scm.com, where you can find a download for the program Git. You'll need to, do some Git comments to actually get the repository. So go to the site, you'll find the link also in the description down below, and download the latest version of Git. And I will not lead you through the installation because I think it's very self-explaining. And if you go with all the default settings, you'll get a working Git. So that's like I did it, and like many others do. Just use the default settings. Well, when you're done installing Git, you go into your Android Studio here on the starting screen and go to Configure Settings. So now you go to the Version Control tab, go to Git, and maybe can be that it already pasted in the path to your Git executable. If it didn't, you have to search where you installed your Git and paste the path to your Git executable in there. Then I think the default settings should be like you can see here, and be sure that the SSH executable is built in, and just click on test, and if you get the Git execute successfully message, everything is alright with your Git. The second step is to log into GitHub through Android Studio. So the host will be github.com, and I recommend to you to use the authorization type password. And then just log in with your email and your password and click on test. And when you get the connection successful message, everything is alright with GitHub too. So that's it for the settings. Just click OK. And now we go to my GitHub repository, or any other repository. I'm using the HowTo Android Soundboard repository that contains all the favorite functions too. And now you click on clone or download, and this URL you want to paste, or you want to copy it to your clipboard. You can just click here and then go back to your Android Studio. If you take a look on the right side, you can find Checkout Project from Version Control. Click that and choose GitHub. And normally it should, paste in the Git repository URL by itself. If not, use the URL from the repository. The parent directory should be set by default too. And the directory name, you can change the directory name. Like I don't want to call my app HowTo Android Soundboard, so I want to call it Pew Pew Soundboard. And click on clone. then it asks you if you want to open it. I want to open it, so click on OK. And here you can see there are 2 loading project errors. Well, you know what, you can keep that. And, well, let's just test if the app runs with the default settings, like with the clean install from the repository. So, yeah, I want to add it to my Git, not my GitHub, but my Git. And there is my, or your soundboard. So I'll add it. Let's test it out.
Bing, bing, bong.
Okay, that is functional. And add it to favorite. Everything alright. Okay. So, well, I'm gonna delete that for the moment. Uninstall. Okay. So, now to the necessary things. If you want to make your own soundboard on the base of my GitHub repository, you will have to change the package name, because you don't really want to use my domain, and, well, I don't really want you to use my domain. So we want to change this package name. We're doing that by first clicking on the gears icon here and unmark the compact empty middle packages. So now we will get the package name separated in each board, and we can change some things like I'm not from Germany, so I'm gonna refactor that. So right click refactor, rename, and rename that to well, COM refactor, and then it shows you what it will refactor. Just click do refactor. Then I'm not CodeRed, so I want to refactor that as well. Rename, and my developer name is Poo Poo, so refactor that. Do refactor, and my app also isn't called HowTo Android Soundboard, so it's called it's the new Pew Pew Soundboard. So refactor, do refactor. Okay, and well, we are almost done. We have to change some things in the build Gradle too. So here you can find the application ID. We want to change that to our new package name. So that's com poo poo dot pew pew soundboard. Oops. Soundboard. Synchronize it. And well, let's do a little change too in the strings. Like my app name isn't just Soundboard, it's Pew Pew Soundboard. And then we want to go to build and rebuild project. Wait for it to finish. Okay, it's rebuild, and let's just take a look at it and run it on our device. I'm waiting for it to launch. Okay, so here it is. Just allow that, and all functions should be functionable. So
bing bing bong.
Okay, add favorites. There it is. Remove favorite. Okay, or everything alright. Then there is the name, and I can't show you that on this device, but if you have a device that shows you the package name, you will see that this one will have a unique package name, like, well, the package name you changed it to. So that's it for this video. Leave a like or a comment down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Well, CodeRed here. If you're still here, I forgot to mention, check out the videos from Will Willis on, well, a lot of GitHub, fully detailed, and They're very good. Well, check them out. They're in the description or here in the end screen. Bye bye.